Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps that you can take now to test drive Kugamon in read-only mode. So let's dive right in and explore this together. If you're following along, you want to make sure you're navigated to the App Exchange homepage. And when you're there, just go ahead and start to type in Kugamon within the search bar. Then when you hit enter, you're going to see two results, and you want to click into the one that says RevOps for Salesforce. Now, locate the Try It Free button near the top left side of your screen and click into it. And next, since we're going to be exploring Kugamon in read-only mode, you want to locate and click into the option on the left of the screen. Then proceed to confirming your contact information below that and read the agreement/statements, as well as enabling this checkbox here, which will allow our team to reach out to you to assist you with any inquiries, answer any questions that you might have as you were test driving Kugamon. Now, the next step from here is to locate the continue to test drive button that's going to be near the top right side of your screen. And now you're going to see a similar page like this on your screen. From here, we're ready to click on Start Test Drive. And now you were dropped off in an org with sample data that you can use as you test drive Kugamon. Now, we do recommend and invite you to click around and reference our test drive instructions, as well as check out our helpful video tutorials. We have some walkthroughs and additional content on our Kugamon YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to send us your email to support@kugamon.com or go ahead and respond to that automated email that you received from our team, and we're happy to assist you further. Take care.